welcome to Emily's Chinese Learning. So today the lesson we're going to learn about the 5 frequently used Chinese verbs. Okay, so let's start. The first really frequent used one is 来 means to come. 来, which is the second tone. Repeat after me. 来. Yes, perfect. Means to come. 来. So 我来.
I come. 我来.
Yes. 我来.
我来.
你来.
你来.
Yes. 我来.
我来.
Do you still remember the word that we can put after the sentence, which will make the statement into a question?
吗?
Yes. So, if you want to say, "Are you coming? Will you come?" You can say, 你来吗?
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 Yeah, it means, "Are you coming? Will you come?" So that's the first word. 来 means to come. 来. Okay. The second one is to go. 去. 去. Yes, which is the falling tone. 去. 去. Yes. So 我去.
我住.
你去.
你去.
Yes. So means to 去 means to go. 你去吗?
你去吗?
Yeah, means are you going? Will you go? 你去吗?
你去吗?
Yes, perfect. So the third word is 做 means to do.
做.
Yeah, 做.
做.
Perfect, which is the falling tone. 做 means to do.
To do. 做.
Yes, 做. Yes. The fourth word we are going to learn is 有, which means to have.
To have.
Yes, 有.
有.
Yeah, which is the third tone, which is the falling raising tone. 有.
有.
我有.
我有.
Means I have.
I have.
你有.
你有.
Means you have. 有.
有.
So you can say, 我有哥哥.
我有哥哥. I have
Yeah, means
a brother.
Yeah, I have a big brother. 我有弟弟 means I have a younger brother. Yeah, 我有 means to have. Yes,
to have.
Perfect. Yeah. And then the last one will be 买 means to buy. 买. Third tone. 买.
买.
Perfect. Which is the third tone means to buy. So 我买.
我买.
你买.
你买.
Yeah. So now let's repeat all those 5 verbs together. 来 means
come.
yes. 去 means
go.
yes. 做
have or do.
yes, to do. Have is
有.
perfect. So 买 means
buy.
to buy, yes. So come is 来, go is 去, to do is 做, have is 有, to buy is 买. So 来去做 有买. With those 5 verbs, I think you can to express a lot of actions. Okay, that's all for today. 谢谢，再见。
谢谢，再见。